Do you want to know how you can choose or select the grammar preferences on your QuillBot account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or select the grammar preferences on your QuillBot account. The first step is to open any type of browser. The second step is to go to QuillBot.com, and the third step is to open your profile or log into your profile. Click on your profile on the top right hand side and click on account details. Then go ahead and click on preferences over here and you can see grammar preferences. Waste no time, just go ahead and click on it. You can see some of the grammar preferences. You can choose the types of grammar suggestions you see. So some of the grammar suggestions are remove extra space. You can enable it and it will remove extra spaces for you. The second one is add ending punctuations to sentences. You can enable or disable it by just a simple click. The third is join independent clauses with commas. Once you enable it, some of the words will join independent clauses with commas. The fourth one is to capitalize the first letter of sentences. If you write something but it is on small letter, QuillBot will directly turn it to capital, and you can enable it or disable it such as these. So another one is replace hyphens with em dashes. And another one is change single quotations marks to double for quotations. So if you only write one single quotation, it will directly turn to double quotations. And you can see you can also add Oxford commas. So this is how you change or select your grammar preferences on your QuillBot account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.